Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel e-teaching Gurukuls. So fundamental of computers next video lectures I am going to explain a very simple topics. So first of all we can see that what is the topics actually is going to be shown here. So you can see that here is in various kind of utilities programs are there which are actually used to manage our system as well as manage our system means hardware as well as software, and how to protect the system from the outwards or outsource or some intruders. So this kind of operations or this kind of programs is actually protect our systems. So this type of tiny programs or small programs is known as a system utilities. So in this video the main topics is system utilities. So we are going to explain some kind of system utilities definition is there, and what is the use of system utilities. Actually you can say that the name is the definitions, means that whatever the systems means computer systems which is made within hardware and software, then how this hardware and software is going to be managed by you using some kind of small programs actually known as an utility programs. What are the tools are there? So you can see that there are the various kind of tools. Suppose that how to manage the deleted data is deleting data. You can see that that is known as a trash is there in a Windows. So how this kind of data is deleted and how this kind of data is going to be retrieved. Same as this fragmentation, defragmentation and fragmentation process is also there. Means that how the data are collected or integrated which is available or linked to, in the system in various places of the hard disks. How this type of different fragments are going to be integrated. So there is another type of utility programs are there. You can see the third one is called user account and security and antivirus and software update are there. Means whatever the new update is available in the online, so that is the utility program show that updates and automatically configure or automatically update your software without any problems of the users. System cleanup is there. If any kind of unwanted data are available, just like that whenever you are going to be browse some operations through the browser, so histories are there. So how to delete that history, how the other system cleanup process is there. So it is the part of system cleanup. Encryptions to protect your computer from the intruders, and formatting. If your hard disk is not properly doing well, or some kind of problems is going to be occurred, then this formatting process is going to be clean up, or you can say that correct your hard disks. So now come to the point introductions. What is actually system software is there. So first operation is a utility or software utility is a computer system software intended to analyze, configure, monitor or help maintain a computer. So I have already explained that or mentioned that the system utility or the software utility is nothing but a small type of, or you can say that it's a types of system software that is called already mentioned that software is actually categorized into two parts. One is system software, another is application software. So it is a kind of system software which is basically used to analyze your systems, configure your systems, monitor your systems, and to help the system to maintain the computers. Means if any kind of problems is going to be occurred in your computer, such just like that your computer is going to be slow down, then how this slowdown process is going to be improved so that your computer working in a proper manner, or whatever the default speed is there, that is going to be maintained. So this type of software is actually used to maintain the computers. Next one is usually a utility is smaller than a standard program in size. I have already told it's one kind of system software which is tiny type of or small type of operation is going to be performed, or you can say that a specific type of small operation is going to be performed. So it is a smaller than a standard program in size and may be included within operating systems or installed separately. So this type of utility programs in the today's scenario, today's operating systems is already available in that inbuilt available in the operating systems. So when you install your operating system, so this type of system software already included or already installed, or you can separately install it to manage or configure your systems, whatever the first point is given. So in the next point, it is used to support the computer infrastructure. It, in contrast to application software, which is aimed at directly performing tasks that benefit ordinary users. So this type of utility programs, you can never say that it's an application type of program. It's a contrast of the, it's an just opposite of the application program to perform some specific task to benefit the ordinary user. Benefit the ordinary user means if any user don't know how the system is going to be performed, so based on that concept of the user, means novice user, this type of tiny programs is actually perform the task with respect to the benefit of the ordinary users. So list of computer utilities are there, so yeah, we can see that. So first list means first is antivirus. It's an one kind of software which protect our system from the internet or outside intruders, or some kind of virus is going to be hit, so that can be improved or detected by this, or improved by this system performance by this antivirus software. Backup software is there. If you want to back up some your data to hard disk or some other place, this type of software is going to be help to how to back up your system files, or back up your or important files. Clipboard is one kind of, you can say that whenever we are going to be copy, then how these multiple copies is stored. So one kind of clipboard process or software is there, so which is stored your copied files. So you can use or copy multiple times, you can copy from this clipboard. Compression utilities. Compression utilities is one of the important utilities there. So if your file is going to be compressed forms or store your file in a smaller space, so compression utility is going to be used. Cryptographic software is there, so protect your data in another forms, means protect your data to convert your file into an another forms, so so that no persons or everyone is never is going to be read your files or data. Debuggers is the important process. Debugger is basically used for programming or programmers when you are going to be program some things. So how to step by step process is going to be show by using this software. Utility software. DirectX is another type of software which is basically used for some kind of encoders are there. So which is basically used DirectX. Disk checkups means defrag, disk cleanups, and scan disks are the important utilities. It is inbuilt in a operating systems. Disk partition editors basically used for partition your hard disk, means a hard disk is actually in a single drive that is known as a C drive, but you can partition it by using the utility software into a D, E, F, and further. So next set of utility programs are there. Encryption tools are there. File managers are there, so you can manage your files. Hex editor are there. Memory testers are there, means if you want to see your the health or you want to see your memory health, so memory tester is going to be performed by using some small programs. Network monitors are there, means if your computer is connected with a networks, then how to show the different networks connected with your networks or connected with your computer by using this network monitor. Package managers means whatever the package are installed in your systems, so that is going to be managed by this package manager. Registry cleaners are there. So when you install your software, those registry processes already is going to be happen in your systems. So how this registry is going to be cleaned, there is an utility programs is there. Screensaver is another kind of a utility programs. System monitors is there. So system monitors means how to monitor your whole systems, means computer systems. That is a system monitors. So friends, you can see that what is the use of utility programs and how the utility programs is effective or benefited for the computer to maintain the computer in a smooth way, and the novice users or the simple ordinary users, how they can benefit it from this utility programs. So if you like this video, so please share this video as many as possible. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to write your useful comments, so that I can improve my video lectures or improve my information in that kind of videos more elaborately or more usefully. So my dear friends, see this video at the last. I am going to thank you again.